We talked earlier with data about providing value, and we touched very briefly on the privacy concerns and the ethics around that. And I just want to unpack that a little bit, because on one hand, you know, when we were flying overseas, we go through customs and you get the facial recognition, matches your passport, you skim on straight through. There's, you know, fantastic. You know, you can see what a brilliant use case. But then recently we've had Facebook announce that they're going to stop doing their facial recognition. So, and the rigour and the ethics around the privacy concerns, it's a fine balance about the value we're adding, which clearly it can, versus what some people's concerns about. So I'm just keen, keen to understand some of the frameworks that NEC is working through around that.
Well, I think the important thing is you have to have values. As you design the technology, you have to have right up front, and one of the things that I've found really impressive about NEC since I've joined them is they actually have not just a value statement, but right through the company there are clear documentation to assist people who are doing the analytics design, who are doing the engineering work, to understand that we're a values company. So we want to have the protections in place, that we avoid which is what's happened with some technology, where people have found that the technology is discriminatory against certain types. That's not been NEC's experience. In fact, our technology has proven not to have done that, because we right from the start set up a system that would make sure that we were treating people equitably and that everyone had fair access to the systems. So I think that's been really important. Get your values right, get your documentation right, and importantly your design right, and then you'll win confidence, because then people can see that you're actually, as I said, come back to value proposition. People see a trusted brand that is actually working in the community's interests. That makes the difference.